Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a tutorial on how to set up the Phantom Web Wallet. Phantom is the leading crypto wallet for the Solana blockchain right now. In today's video, I'll show you how to get started with it. As a reminder, anything involving cryptocurrency carries some risks, so be sure to do your own research and understand all the risks before you put any money in. Now, let's get into the video. Step 1. The first thing you'll need to do is install the Phantom extension into your browser. Their website is phantom.app. I will provide the link in the description for your convenience. Go to the website and click on the link to download for Chrome. This will also work for other major browsers. Click on Download for Chrome, which will bring you to the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. The installation will take just a few seconds. Step 2. Create a new wallet. If you already have a wallet, you can import it using your existing credentials. However, in this tutorial, we will create a new wallet. Click on Create a new wallet. You'll be prompted to create a password. This password will be used to log into the wallet on this browser, but you will need additional information, either the passphrase or the private key, to access the wallet on a new browser. Set the password and agree to the terms of service. Step 3. Secure your recovery phrase. Next, you will receive a secret recovery phrase, which is a 12-word passphrase. Store this recovery phrase securely. If you lose access to your wallet, you will need this recovery phrase to recover it. If anyone gets access to this recovery phrase, they can access your wallet and all the funds in it. Do not share it with anyone. Once you have saved your recovery phrase securely, click on I saved my secret recovery phrase and then continue. Step 4. Access your wallet. Now your wallet is ready to use. Click on the Phantom icon in your browser's extension menu. Pin it for easy access. Open the wallet and you'll see that it has created 3 new wallets for you, one on Solana, one on Ethereum, and one on Polygon. Phantom is primarily known for being the main web wallet for the Solana ecosystem. However, you can also use it for Ethereum and Polygon. On the main page of the wallet, you can see the tokens that are in your wallet. You can manage multiple wallets and switch between different blockchain networks. That's it. You've successfully created a Phantom wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.